Our next topic is making selections. Using the selection tool. In Illustrator CS4, you will need to use the selection tool often, so it is crucial to understand what it does and how to use it. To select an object, choose the selection tool from the toolbox and click the object you wish to select. Then the object is selected, you can move and transform its properties. First, let's make an object. I will choose a shape, and it's a rectangle. With the use of selection tool, can transform into different shape. Just like that. Some selections may be easier to make by creating a marquee around the object. To make a marquee selection, do the following. Choose the selection tool from the toolbar here. Choose, click and drag the selection tool over multiple objects to select them. Just like drag, select them all. By holding down shift, you can make multiple marquees collection. Hold down the shift key, then do the marquee selection. To duplicate those objects, do the following. First, select the object you wish to duplicate. Second, hold the Alt for the Windows PC and Option for the Mac OS on the keyboard as you click and drag the object. Alt, drag. Once you release a duplicate, it will show up where the object has been moved. Duplicates, duplicate.